Hi parents, it's Mrs. Gallo. I wanted to create a short parent information video for you to listen to prior to your child completing week 1 lessons. I wanted to give a quick lesson overview. The enrichment lessons will be delivered using Nearpod. In order to go to Nearpod, you'll go to nearpod.com and enter the student code that I send you each week. The students will enter their code in this red box. I ask that you please not share your code with other people. Each subject matter is divided by a slide color. Orange for phonics, red for reading, blue for grammar, and yellow for writing. This should make it easy for students to search through and find which subject they are going to work on. I also have a Show What You Know slide with academic paths. As you will remember, I told you that I was going to differentiate different parts of the lesson so that students of all levels could find what's right for them. Here's an example. For this week's reading lesson for the 2nd through 4th grade, there's one story, but there's 3 alternate activities that they can choose. The yellow path is the easiest. The green path is medium, and the blue path is more challenging. It's up to you if your child completes all 3 paths or chooses which one is the one that's more closest to their academic ability. One thought is that you might have them start on the yellow path, and if they do that easily, then they could work on the green, and if that's easy, then they can move on to the blue. But that's up to you and your child to make that decision. Also, please note that there's audio on the bottom of the slides. For example, going back to that slide, you'll see at the bottom there is a play triangle in the bottom left-hand corner. Most slides have audio, so make sure your child knows to click on those. The lessons are full of photos and anchor charts, videos, and games. I really hope that they stay engaged. I have tried to make things colorful and student-friendly. I like to follow the gradual release model. When I deliver lessons, I start with I do, like I show them how to do something. Then I do something that we can do together. You'll notice me asking them questions throughout the videos. Then it's on to their turn to practice. Here's a few helpful hints. While almost everything can be done on the computer or the device, make sure to get a spiral or a composition book if you have one to have next to the computer or your iPad. This will help them have a place to jot down notes, and there are a few times where that might come in handy. Unless your child is savvy in Microsoft Word or typing, they're probably going to want to write their writing story each week. Having one spot to collect all the information is a good hint or a good tip. There's lots of content. There might even be more than what you and your child can do. And that's okay. I wanted you to feel like you're getting your money's worth. So do what you can and what's best for your child. My suggested game plan is to pick 1 or 2 subjects per day. For example, you could do phonics on Monday, reading on Tuesday. Wednesday, you could do grammar. And then you might want to split the writing between Thursday and Friday. That's just a thought. If your child breezes through it, they might want to do phonics and reading on the same day. Or the writing may take them several days, so they might want to do a little bit of the writing lesson each day of the week. Again, that's between you and your child, and do whatever is best for them. If you're doing Zoom tutoring as well, I'll send information for that in a separate email. Remember that nothing is ever perfect, so if you find a tech problem, please email me. And lastly, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for trusting me to deliver your students' summer enrichment. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to working together.